Good afternoon, everybody. It's Wednesday, March 15th. I was downtown and I come across Pulse Point fire alarm, 733 6th Street. And I figured it was these apartments up here, but from where I was sitting down there, I saw nothing. So I drove up. Hopefully, whatever it is, it's either out or false alarm. But so you know where I'm at. I'm on 6th. Shaw's the next street up there where those homes are. Corson is behind me. Um, Nothing to really see. I'm just, because it come across Paul's Point, it was only a few blocks from me. I figured I'd take a look. I'm gonna figure it's either out or it was a false alarm. They shut the lights off on the truck. And in case I didn't catch what time it is, I got 4:59 right now. Yeah, truck's pulling out. So did the squad. I didn't see which way it went. Oh well. I'm glad there was no major fire. Y'all take care, everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.